Good morning. It is race day. 10 a.m. One-day race in the middle of the mall. Pits are already full, and time to do some more track tests with this car, the GoldTC, and racing truck for Tamiya Asia Cup Finals next month. And that's Porscha's racing truck. If you cannot see it, it's black. Black on black. So next month is the Tamiya Cup Asia Finals, and she will race truck.
We got Porsha now on the lead, followed by Kate and Attorney John is on.
All right, so she's leading this quali.
Raymond Cruz is now on third.
We're running Tamiya spec life battery.
Rose is on fifth. John Navidad is on sixth, and Michael is on seventh.
The others are running LiPo, I guess. So we don't have the power, but we're relying on corner speed handling and driving.
Marshall's mamaya ayusin niya.
At least we have grip now. The last race we did with truck, it was like a drift session. Oh, she crashed. Oh. So she's made about 3 mistakes with the truck. So it's probably hard to drive. I think I will go up in shock oil to make it smoother. The front seems to sink too much. But I'm already using very hard spring, but maybe I can try something harder. I don't like the front sinking too much. It's hooking the car and losing corner speed.
18 seconds. Porsche is no longer being followed by Jake and Attorney John is on third. 10 seconds.
At least we're competitive with our truck. I did not put time into it.
Race is over. Race is over. Finish your lap. Keep running. John Navidad done. Rose also done. Michael done.
All right.
John done, and everybody's done.
All right. Truck.
Okay, now we go to the back.
This is our pit area, the GoldTC based on a TT01, and then another TT01 for the Tamiya truck class. Both TT01s. Fast, slow. Alright, bringing out the tire warmers. Trying to get more grip. Alright, so earlier we were running Tamiya tires, but then I forgot this was not a Tamiya race. Fortunately, a friend lent me a set of Rush 32 tires, and much better. Our car now looks competitive. Oh, it's big a difference. Tamiya tires are no good. So even Rush 32 is good. The others are using Rush 28, but you know, borrowers cannot be choosy, right?
Good. Nice clean start. Oy, tanggal yung battery. Yeah. Pwede mo mag-green card. Green card. Tanggal yung battery. Yung battery yan. Yung battery niya. Ito na. Ayun yung battery.
Alright, behind Porsche is an Automatics.
This is the second to the last round.
We're still struggling to turn the car.
Just 4 minutes to go.
She will have to just drive it faster.
Get ready.
The TT1 being chased by an Automatics.
Last lap, Mimi and Jazzy, get ready.
The leader is disappeared. And here we go, traffic. Oh, unlucky. Big word drop. So unlucky.
Bakit? Oo, here. Strip. Strip. Here, here.
3 minutes and 3 seconds to go. Jordan won the lead with almost 1 Jojo is now on second. Porsche on third. Raymond Cruz is on fourth. Phil Marie, still Rain on sixth. Tyler, number 6 and number 7. Jake is on 8. Harvey, DNF. Hero, DNF also. Get ready and chassis class. Beaming. Pwede na mag-line up dito. Yung beaming and chassis class. Kiko, Daddy Paul, Lendol, Eugene, Vito, Aaron, John, Per, Matthew, and get ready. In 2 minutes, you're up. One minute 35. Johnny, Jojo, and Porsche. First, second, and third.